Howdy crew, got a huge update for today. Let's get to it. Big update for today. The corporation is officially a corporation. It has happened. So if y'all been following along, y'all know that sent off the paperwork through LegalZoom and they have sent it to the Secretary of State. Secretary of State signed it and sent it back to them and they mailed it to me. And so the corporation is now a corporation. So it is an official business entity and ready to make money. Now we got to get the truck going. We got to get everything else going. But I needed the corporation started so the bank account can be started for the business, so then the truck and equipment can be bought. So there's a whole process, whole line of events that have to go in order. You can't just flip them around left and right, at least to maximize money usage as well as tax write-offs for the corporation. And so that way it's not just coming out of my pocket and then just going into a corporation, because it can be done that way, but I'd rather save as much money as possible, use everything as tax write-offs. So just very excited. Thank you so much to my very best friend. You mean the absolute world to me, and all of your support has been so special to me. Really appreciate it. And it's just been a long time in the making. A lot of time, effort, money's going into this. It's been something that I've been wanting for a very long time, and the corporation is now here. Now, yes, the truck and equipment, putting in the rig actually together, that is still in the process, but the corporation is here. I've just been really happy about this, really looking forward to getting the paperwork, and it's here. The corporation is now a corporation. So I am now the president, CEO, treasurer, secretary, and board of directors of a corporation. Now, yes, I'm the only person in there, but it don't matter. I can say I'm the CEO of a corporation. How cool is that? So anyways, now we got to get everything put together and go make money with the welding rig. But that was the big news for today. The corporation is now a corporation. Got plenty of content coming up very, very soon. Hope y'all enjoy.